Hello friends, my name is Rishikesh Kanse and today I am here to discuss about the recursion in Java. Recursion is the technique of making a function call itself. This technique provides a way to break complicated problems down into a simple problems which are easier to solve. Recursion may be difficult to understand. The best way to figure out it works to explain the example. Adding two numbers together is easy, but adding a range of numbers more complicated. In the example, recursion is used to add a range of numbers together by breaking it down into the simple task of adding two numbers. When the sum function is called, it adds parameter k to the sum of all numbers smaller than the k, that returns the result. When k becomes the 0, the function just returns 0. When the program just halting condition, just as loop can run into problem of infinite looping, recursive function can run into the problem of infinite recursion. Infinite recursion is when the function never stops calling itself. Every recursive function should have a halting condition, which is the condition where the function stops calling itself. The previous example, the halting condition is when the parameter k becomes the 0. It is helpful to see a variety different examples to better understand the concept. In this example, the function adds a range of numbers between a start and an end. A halting condition for a recursive function is when end is not greater than the start. Procedural programming is about writing procedure or methods that perform operation on data, while object oriented programming is about creating objects that contain both data and methods. The classes and objects are two main aspects of object oriented programming. And so class templates for objects. An object is an instance of a class. When the individual object are created, they inherit all the variables and methods from the class. So this is all about the recursion in Java. Thank you.